na ndiaja narua ukojera ko launch kana kuona plani ya Times U Sacco ya miaka 5 ikwambiria narua na athikiri betu amwe na baria batutegete ikubwira Times U Sacco ni mwe sacco iria yukirite muno ina assets kwengana na liquidity nayo ijaribu kugura shares na buchoke antubetu bulombe pesa cia gwita biashara na bwaromba pesa burikani pesa cia kuria antubetu kwa hiyo ndio tuomba kuria ukaja kuromba pesa antubetu Times U Sacco ite ajamirwa ke twena thuganio lia kurugura kinya ofisi inge ome Meru kinya Nairobi itutegerete tugeta no tuchoke atua biashara betu beze ba investi pesa bagure shares ke Times U Sacco kenda tumba ukoria Times U Sacco na yoba kuandika ana betu anto betu Times U Sacco tegindu kya muntu negindu gietu tukarite thiguru twauga itukwenda kuria mugongo na twina miaka mingi muno tumite araja na twitite kuraja joni boto join safari twite turia mwe
back to Times U Sacco from when they were, right now they are saying small tired, but that time they were small, just as Catherine was small. So we began the journey, even when the Tongo branch was opening, and a number of their branches, I've walked that journey with them. And I'm really very proud of the leadership, Catherine, you have offered. And you have a dedicated team of staff, whom you have nurtured very well. And every time I meet some of them and see them, I can see the growth that we've walked. So, mimi sio mgeni, I've worked with you, and today I came to celebrate with you. Now, it is weird how my invitation to this forum came through Dr. Shadrach. When Catherine was talking to me, I told her I already have the invitation. So I told her, you had kept the invitation to come later, but I already got the invitation from your chief guest.
Kenyatta ndio kiawe bitu kenete monoi bila kwena kampitaje Times U na ina kionekie kinene utira igukira kumare ni dai milioni 900 ikinya bilioni inya na igukira nwe gokira na ame baba ingi na Kenya baba ingi tongero tonga kiri michi yetu kiri tura chetu kiri wechetu chene chudo gukira na ngira kuitibita Times U Sacco na bankingi iliko na mwananchi wa Meru na Wakenya alikira.
The other thing that advantages you is the fact that you have identified yourself and made yourself unique in terms of supporting the special sector of MSME, the entrepreneurs and the business people. We have many other circles. There are circles that are specializing with tea farmers, that are specializing with coffee farmers, but this is your area. Dealing with entrepreneurs should be your strength, should be your niche, and these other circles should not come to beat you in that area. So develop products. I'm happy you're working with the Women Enterprise Fund. They are going to guide you on how to develop products that are going to be suitable to entrepreneurs. Mheshimiwa Gatoku has given you examples of how you're transforming lives of people. Proceed with that. Currently, I want you to be the circle, the MSME circle of choice.